Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing an essay on PV Sidhu. My favorite famous personality is PV Sidhu. She is an Indian badminton player. She was born in Hyderabad on July 5, 1995. PV Sidhu parents were volleyball players. She started playing badminton at the age of 8. Mehboob Ali was her coach. PV Sidhu is a right-handed player. She is only Indian to become badminton world champion. PV Sidhu is known as Golden Girl of Indian badminton.